This is the Kwikset 780. It's considered a grade 2. The 660 is considered a grade 3, but I've seen them even rate them as high security, depending on what country you're in. So this is a 780. This is in the contractor box. I've seen the big box home hardware stores sell something similar. They're in the display packages, so they look pretty. This is a contractor or locksmith grade, as I call them. And first I'm unpacking this one. More heavy duty, you'll see, more heavy duty strike. Now, I'll show you an interesting feature with this lock, which some people absolutely love. Now we'll see what it comes with here. We have, this is the non-SmartKey. This is a traditional rekeyable lock, so we have to have a pin kit, we can rekey it. And it has the a little bit more of a skookum bolt than the Kwikset 660. They're considering it a grade 2. And we got all the screws. This one has a larger strike, which is absolutely fantastic. This one comes, of course, instructions. So we have 4 3-inch screws. It's going to go on the door frame. It's going to catch the strike. This is good. I prefer the longer, the Donjo, for door reinforcement. But hey, out of the box, this is pretty good. It's got the screws. What's interesting is it comes with 2 keys and a key with a notch in it, and this is for removing the core, so you don't have to take the lock apart to rekey it, in theory. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please join our membership site. It's our YouTube Mr. Locksmith membership site, and you can see I post the videos there first, and I post a lot of videos that I don't post on the public. They're just for our members only. Some of the bypass methods, defeat methods, drilling the locks, picking the locks, and talk about the business of locksmithing and some of the in-depth on the social media, etc. So please join my membership site.